All right, it is now time to tap the 30 holes. So little dab will do ya, right? Every second or third one. Big Head Todd and the Monsters. That's what I'm listening to on my headset. And I'm going to be able to tap all of these holes, that's 30 of them, within the live version of Bittersweet. That's pretty cool. That's not a lot of work for a lot of clamps. All right, the last tap, and the song is just finishing. That's not bad. Again, that's for 30, that'll be 15 clamps on just this side alone, and then 15 on the others. So this 74-inch bar will end up holding 30 clamps altogether, heavy duty clamps.